Next, we have payment integration. So there are different payment gateways that you can integrate to your GoHighLevel. Stripe works the best, but there are other options as well. Let's find out what are they. So this is integrations. I have connected Razorpay since I am selling in India. I have connected PayPal for international transactions. Then you have Stripe, Authorize.net, NMI, manual payment methods, add a cash on delivery or custom payment methods for manual payment collection. Then you have Square, and then you have more payment gateways like Zap, Padlock, EasyPay, Numeric, Padlock Pay sub accounts. So you can connect these. These are apps, you can install these and then connect them, and you can use it in different ways in your checkout. So that's how you integrate payment gateways to your GoHighLevel account.